Hey there, fellow TikTok enthusiasts. If you've ever found yourself scrolling through your For You page and stumbled upon the mysterious term mid, you're probably wondering what this trend is all about. Well, you're in luck because today, we're here to spill the tea and uncover the meaning behind mid on TikTok. Before we dive into the fascinating world of mid, let's take a moment to appreciate how TikTok has completely transformed the landscape of social media. Its bite-sized video format has empowered creators worldwide, turning TikTok into one of the fastest-growing platforms globally. Now, let's unravel the mystery behind the term mid on TikTok. If you've come across comments like, "That's kind of mid," it's essentially modern slang for something being average or low quality. It's a cheeky way for users to express criticism or playfully mock things that just don't quite hit the mark. But here's the catch: using mid as an insult isn't the best strategy. It can lead to being blocked and stir up some unnecessary negativity online. Instead, save it for those moments when you encounter something that's just not impressing you, like a movie, a restaurant, or maybe even a new car. Now, you might be curious about the origins of the mid trend. Well, it's a bit of a mystery. No one knows for sure, but it gained traction when a video of wrestler Maxwell Jacob Friedman, aka MJF, went viral. In the video, he declared everything in the American Midwest as mid. It caught on like wildfire, and here we are, using mid in our everyday TikTok lingo. But wait, there's more to the word mid. In different contexts, it can also mean being in the middle of something, like someone leaving a sports game midway. It's a versatile term that depends on the situation. Now, let's shift gears a bit and explore the realm of social media acronyms. These are like the secret codes of the online world, helping us communicate faster and more effectively. Aside from mid, there are some other cool acronyms on TikTok you might want to know. For example, CEO of something, the FYP, For You page, IPOV, point of view, low key, a no cap, and a lit. So to sum it up, mid on TikTok is your go-to term for anything average or mediocre. It's used humorously to poke fun at things that just don't quite make the cut. Remember, the world of social media is ever evolving, and so is its language. If you've enjoyed diving into the mysteries of TikTok with us, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Don't miss out on more awesome content as we navigate the ever-changing landscape of TikTok. Until next time, keep rocking that TikTok world.